I think you can go faster.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Just press the trigger, control the direction. The red line is where the laser goes. Okay? The control the direction by yourself. This is much easier. Yeah, you do it better. If you think too much power, maybe he can speed up. Or you need me to change the power lower. Now it's 40%.
What's the power right now?
40%.
40?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think if we put it in the jig so it doesn't move. Yeah, it doesn't.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah, clamp it. Yeah.
It looks good.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. They don't need well, right? Don't need this one.
No, I don't
Yeah.
think. Well, I'll have to see how the gap right.
Oh, be careful of the one.
Let's see the gap.
So let me hold
Where's the
on.
gap at? Here. Is there what the gap? Put it right in here, Felipe. Right here, Felipe.
Okay.
So fills the gap in.
Cuando le das pasando,
Yeah, he stay here too long time.
cuando lo vas dando aquí se...
Yeah.
Just go through. Gap, you don't need to stay very long time. Just a little long time. It's fine.
Look at the end.
As long as it's continuous.
Maybe go to give it more power.
I can change another parameter. I can change the Volvo frequency. Let me change the Volvo frequency from 80 to 100. Let's see.
The voltage?
No voltage. The Volvo frequency. Just hold on.
Okay, hold
Just
on.
hold on. Let me change one parameter. Yeah, let me change one parameter. Just no. You can take the gun or you can put it on the ground. No, because when you feel the power is too much, you can change the power.
Did you change it?
I didn't change the power. It's 340, but I changed the Volvo frequency.
Okay.
When I go up, Volvo frequency goes from 80 to 100. Then in certain time, the heat will be less.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Try.
Si eso es mucho,
Okay, Felipe, let's try again.
Okay. Okay. Try again. Oh, you be careful, your hand, your feet.
Come on, Jose.
Now it's better.
it's the same. Fuse over there,
Same.
Well, hey,
Maybe he. Let me change from 40 to 30.
you guys always trying to prove something.
You think it's too much
Huh?
power?
I think it's okay.
It's okay.
Maybe we'll try with wire. Let's try with the wire now.
No, don't
Try
need.
with wire?
It's you don't need change with
No,
well.
I think so because right here on the edge.
Uh huh.
so I'm thinking we might need the wire.
Okay, okay.
Probably try the yeah. So I think we need wire.
¿Eh? Pararla más para arriba de tu mano izquierda, pararla para arriba. ¿Sí?
I say this again, you don't need more deeper penetration. This power is okay.
Yeah. He's worried once he grinds it and polishes it, though, there's not going to be enough weld inside.
Yeah, okay.
That's what he's worried about.
That's it. But he's a master now. You know how to present.
Can't see. I can't see.
Yeah. So you got to fix this part during the working.
Yeah, it's because it's moving. Gotta hold it. I need light. Yeah. Need light. Let's see. My eyes are bad. Kind of.
Yeah.
The corner's okay.
Yeah, some more practice will make perfect. Yeah.
Like, I need light. Some light.
Mm-hmm.
Try this side right here. It's weird. But just push. Push.
Yeah, that's movement.
Gotta get used to
Yeah.
it, yeah. I can get it. Good practice. Practice, practice.
I agree with you.
Yeah.